pull it down just for a second. No, that's under the hat.
Oh,
it's under the hat. Just, so there, just hold on. I'll get the cage.
Okay.
Move the garbage.
No. There's a bird underneath here. His bird got out.
What's that, ma'am?
His bird. He just ran in there with a cage. He's got his bird underneath the hat here. His bird got out.
Underneath this?
Yeah. He went in.
Let me take a picture.
Well, wait a minute. He went in that store. He told me to hold it down. Now, I don't want the darn thing to get away, and then he's mad at me.
Well, I have to move this car.
Well, wait a minute. Why he into these things? No,
I have to move the camera. Well, how do you think we ought to do it?
I don't know, boy. He'll fly if the least thing...
He's $125.
Yes?
He's an albino canary.
I'd hold the cage. I'd hold the cage.
No. I tell you, maybe we do it around the corner here. No, down here. This is the thing. See, there's a little opening here. Don't watch it now. Watch it. Just get around here a little bit more. Get around there. That's it. Watch it. Don't let him get out. Don't let him get out. Don't let him.
There's no bird in here at all.
There's what?
There's no bird in there. Can't tell a bird of that.
Now, if you chanced to walk around the city that day, you might have seen a lot of people holding hats against the wall. And they were kind, patient, pet-loving people, and we saw to it that they all got their reward for being so patient. But towards the end of the day, we finally met one gentleman who really found the proper way to give us exactly what we deserved. And here he is right now.
We got to get him into the. We got to get him into the. Into the cage. We got to get him in the cage.
Why don't you take it with the hand?
$100 bird. He's a $100 bird.
But don't tell me that.
Come around here. We got to get him in.
No, you can't get it like that.
Why not?
Look, give me all you get.
How are you going to do it?
That's your business.
You're on Candid.